Guys, Andrew here, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your notification not working on Google Chrome. So what you want to do, the first thing you want to do is ensure that you have notifications enabled in Google Chrome. So you want to open up your Google Chrome browser, click the three that's on the upper right hand side, click settings, and then you want to click on privacy and security on the left hand side. Now from here guys, you want to simply go ahead and click on site settings, and once you click on that, you will see the section that says permissions. And as you can see, you have an option called notifications. Now you want to click on that. And from here, you want to ensure that notifications is turned on. Now you want to ensure that you have whichever options you have selected here and ensure that it is not saying don't allow site to send notification, but you want to ensure that you have the notification enabled by clicking the radio button that says site can ask to send notification, and you can have the middle option selected that says collapse unwanted request, which is recommended. No, if you want to specifically set this for a specific website, you want to ensure that you add that website here under the section that says allow to send notification. So for whatever website you want this notification to send, let's say it's, for example, you want to set it for YouTube, for example, I don't know, whichever website you may have. I'm going to use YouTube as an example. So www.youtube.com. I'm going to use it as an example, right? So add YouTube there, right? Now, once you add that website that you want to send the notification to, the most important thing in order for you to receive that notification is to ensure that you have the notification settings enabled and set up on your Windows PC as well. And if you're using Windows 11, it is very easy to find. On the lower right hand side, you will have the notification option, and immediately you can see if you have notification on or not. Now if you see that little Z or Z showing over the notification bell, it simply means that your notification setting might be in do not disturb or simply off, right? So click on that, and as you can see right away that my notification is showing do not disturb is on. And many times when people set notification on whichever browser that they want, they fail to remember that even though the notification is enabled on the browser, they need to ensure that notification on Windows is also turned on. Otherwise, you will not get the notification because the notification doesn't just appear in the browser. If you want it to show on your computer when you have your browser minimized or whatever, then you have to have the notification turn on Windows as well. So all you have to do, if you realize that the notification is off or you realize that do not disturb is turned on, is to click this little button here on the upper right hand side beside clear all, and you will see that notification is now on, right? And you can see below at the lower right hand side as well that the notification bell is there on. And if you click on that again, you can see that it is do not disturb, mean that it's off or in do not disturb mode, or you can simply turn it on. So ensure that your notification is not on do not disturb, otherwise you will not receive notifications on your computer from your browsers. And this works for whichever browser. The concept is the same. Enable notification on the browser and ensure that do not disturb is not turned on, and that will fix your issue, guys. I can guarantee you. I've been testing this for a while. For myself, I also experienced this during the day-to-day work in the company, and I realized that this was the problem, which is why I was not receiving notifications. So for yourself, I hope that this solution will help you, and if it does, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.